Hi, Terry Kirkham, globalauctioneers.com. We're instructed by the Director of Wildcat Industries in Dandenong, South Victoria, to realise the assets of the company due to the company closing down and retirement of business. This major online auction sale features a large quantity of high quality, heavy sheet metal manufacturing equipment. We have general assorted plant and equipment, also too pallet racking, office furniture and equipment. This is a major online auction sale for all heavy sheet metal manufacturing industry users here in Australia. This online auction sale features major equipment such as this 2022 Amada 1003 CNC press brake with automatic tool changer. 2020 Amada HB 1003 CNC press brake with tool changer with a smart CNC sheet lifting cart. Amada Vicross 357 turret punch press. Amada Pega turret punch press. We have an Amada Vicross 255 turret punch press. We have an Amada Vicross 368 Queen turret punch press. We have a Yawei PBH 250 press brake. We have a Yawei PBH 110 3100 press brake. We have a Yawei PBH 50 2000 press brake. We have a Yawei PBH 110 press brake. We have a Yawei 1530 2 kilowatt laser fibre cutting machine. We have a Yawei HL 1530 4 kilowatt laser fibre cutting machine. We have 3 assorted robot cell manufacturing stations. We have a Finucci laser welding cell. We have a range of assorted high profile tooling and also cluster tooling. We have an Amada VIC 700W vertical TIG welding machine. We have a range of fabrication equipment that'll suit a large range of manufacturing businesses. We have a 2020 Hino 300 616 tray truck. We have a range of Wildcat demonstration stock, but also too in the warehouse, we have new stock that is currently still in boxes. This major online auction event commences on Wednesday, the 3rd of September from Dandenong South in Melbourne, with the major manufacturing machinery will finish on Wednesday, the 10th of September. For pre-inspection bookings, please contact our head office at globalauctioneers.com. Viewing days will be available for the public. Those viewing days information will be available on our website at globalauctioneers.com.